We just received another glowing review from another one of our satisfied customers, and we wanted to share it with the world. Here's what they had to say. In short, it's always been our prime objective to make our customers happy, so when they write feedback like this and specifically mention the great customer service they received, it makes us feel like we're meeting that objective. We value our customers, new and old. Whether you're brand new or you've been through our doors before, we'd like the chance to earn your business all over again. We want to thank you for checking us out today. You can call us at the number on the screen. We hope to hear from you soon.